Hello Leos, I am from Antanana Tarot Reading and I am presenting your angel answers for the month of June. These readings are valid only from June 20th to June 30th. Now before I answer to your questions, I would like all the viewers to close their eyes. I want you all to take few deep breaths and think about the question that is bothering you and you are looking for an answer. So that question will be answered via these cards. These are Healing with the Angels deck and I'll be using this today for answering your question. So focus on your question, guys. Until then, I'll shuffle the cards and I'll ask God and the Supreme Power to give the blessings to these cards and answer you in an accurate manner. Keep thinking about your question and let's see what these cards have for you. So I'm done with the shuffling. Now let's spread out the cards. This is the card for you guys and this card says listening. Now what does this card mean? See, what happens is sometimes we ignore some cases where we are actually guided by our voices. We are guided by our parents, we are guided by any elder person, sometimes younger people. We are not ready to listen to anybody. These listenings are actually going to help you a lot. You just need to focus and listen to what others are telling you, because sometimes we feel that others are not thinking good for us. They don't want that we should be benefited, that something good should happen to us. So all these negative thoughts actually create a lot of problems within us. We don't want to listen to anybody. We are so much hurted. We are not in that mood to accept any kind of word for us or any of the thing which is actually related to us. So we need to listen sometimes. We need to hear others, what others wants to speak to us, because sometimes it is not the people but the God who is coming and saying something to us. So guys, you need to have a lot of patience right now. Instead of being impatient or suffering from different mood swings and not in good state to talk, but then at last you have to understand that everybody is not bad, everybody is not thinking bad for you, and some people are actually there who love us truly and they are saying something for our good. So listen to them, guys. Listen to the faithful people. Listen to your loved ones. They are actually at your part. They are actually supporting you. They are not there to harm you. So please trust them. Believe them. What they are saying. Just have a look and analyze it. Analyze what they are saying. Analyze the positive things in them. Analyze the best part in that particular scene. Analyze that what is going to benefit you, what would be the result out of it. So you have to hear everybody right now. So stop saying and start listening is what I want you all to do right now. So this is all for this month. Now I'll be coming up in the month of July with your angel answers from July 1st to July 10th. Till that time, you can visit my online store. You can get a personalized reading. The readings are available via Skype, via YouTube, via email. So you just need to go through the different